means to you and Tony Ferguson as an opponent?
Oh, man, I'm a fan too. Now I just get to do it in first person. So I got to go out there and do the dream matchup, the dream fight, and do what I love.
Can't wait to watch, sir. Good luck to you, Mr. Ferguson. It's been a fantastic ride, and you are that close to a shot at the title that has eluded you in the past. Donald Cerrone and you make for a spectacular matchup. Please give us your thoughts on what tomorrow night means to you.
UFC 238! I can't wait to fucking perform in 5 all you guys. Chicago, love you guys. Not one for words. Donald, what's up, buddy?
Good luck to you, sir. El Cucuy, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.
By Cowboy there.
You don't be turning you back.
Oh, Donald stunned with that left hand. Tony's pulling back with his head straight up in the air.
Way up in the air. And Cowboy is teeing off.
He's right there. Oh, elbow by Tony.
Battered.
The other thing that's unbelievable about Tony is his ability to push it.
Donald's landing, but he just can't stop Tony from pursuing it.
Coming out of him, it's forcing him to breathe out of the mouth. Head kick lock, across the legs by Ferguson. Elbow, beautiful spinning elbow.
Tony Ferguson is a madman that hard.
Well, he's got big fists.
Yeah.
When he lands, it's got a lot of weight.
Ferguson wide eyed as usual. As he presses forward, gets taken down the road.
Donald up, hit him with that right hand. But both his eyes are swollen shut. Look at that. This fight's gonna be over right here.
His eye was swollen from strikes before that, but can you watch the replay and see if that last blow after the bell hit his eye?
Look at it. No, it's on the nose.
While the crowd doesn't.
I want this, don't try to stop me. There ain't an option, so I be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, walk until I'm nauseous.